Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to show your contextual taskbar in your Photoshop. So for instance, contextual taskbar is a kind of tools that allow you to use quick tool when you are using your Photoshop tools. Like for instance, this particular text right here, if I try to scale up the text or scale down this particular text, I'm supposed to have my contextual taskbar, which will give me a quick tool for flip or rotate of this particular text right here. So these tools here, you can only find it in advanced Photoshop like Photoshop 2025, 2026, etc. So how do you show the contextual taskbar if you miss it in your Photoshop? So first thing first, go ahead and make sure you click on check mark right here. So for you to show it, right click on the canvas size right here. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on show contextual taskbar right here. Once you show it, you're going to have it right here. It's that simple. So you can from here change the color of the text just like what you see right here. It's that simple. You can click on OK. You can also use this particular contextual taskbar to adjust the text size right here. Everything depends on what exactly you want to use it to do. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.